What's up guys, welcome to this new video. I'm Thymo. In this video I am just going to go over how to connect to a OpenSSH connection in VS Code. With that said, let's dive into the video right now. So as you can see right here, I've opened VS Code. I'm going to the extensions tab, which is right over here. I type in remote WSL, then I'm going to go to remote SSH, and then in the left hand corner there is a button which you can click, and then you can say I want to connect to a new host or I want to connect to a already existing host. You need to keep in mind all these hosts are going to be stored in one file. When you are connected, you need to probably do some stuff like chown or cone or chown or whatever. I will put the command right up here on screen right now. When you've done that, you can probably just do whatever you want on that computer or with that folder or whatever. But you need to do that command in order to create folders and create files or save to already existing files. With that said guys, this was just a quick little tutorial. I hope you liked it. Please subscribe, leave a like and leave a comment what you liked on this video. With that said guys, I'm Thymo. For now I say bye bye.